and avoid those silly fouls.
Yeah, that's the best way to stop a player. Keep him off the floor, and those are useless fouls, actually.
Yeah, look at Cebu. Swarm at Quezon City. Look at that. There's a foul, though. Tingnan mo yung nag-close out dito. Yung isa hangin na kin-close out, pero nakuha yung loose ball. Pero may halong gigil na kasi yung pangalawang.
You like the activity of both teams. Yung offensive rebound will play a huge part. Nakita natin sa mga previous games. Malaking bagay yon.
Yeah, Dondon Gomaro. Chauka pinapahirapan si Tamsi. Camacho, awkward catch. Ontiveros from the corner. No, Meneses. Wala, hindi ka pwedeng tumalikod eh. No?
That's not boxing out.
5 seconds in the shot clock. Art De La Cruz has to find a way here. Art shot fake up and under. Art De La Cruz puts it in just in the nick of time. We're tied at 7.
Yeah. Alam mo, nagko-cover pa yan ng games ng anak ko. Yun ang major reveal. Yun ang nakakahiya.
Diyan ka kakabahan. Lade throws it down. Official sportsbook of the MPBL. Cassin off the board. And Laddie throws it down. Ganda din ng pagtansya nitong si Cassin sa kanyang pasa. Kaya kay Manny